Okay, Rocky. There you go. We go outside. Got your boots on. Go. Go ahead. You know where the door is. Alright. Come on, let me put your hook you up here. Wait a minute. I know you want to get there. Wait 1 minute. Good. Let's see here. Okay, got you hooked up. Ready to go. Alright. Alright. Wait a minute. See that snow up there? Okay. Now you should stay out there maybe a little longer because your feet are protected. Alright. Look at Rocky. We just had a little snow, not much. Yeah, let it stay that way. Okay, what are you doing? Are you eating the snow? Look at that boy. Yeah. See, just a little snow. Some grass got it and some grass don't. Look at Rocky. Oh, look like you got us. I don't have a coat on right here. Let's see. Let me unhook that around those bricks. There's your ball. Back inside for me. I didn't have my coat on yet. Look at that baby. All right. What should I say? How should I say this here? Boots out. Peace to all.